Hey y'all, hey, my name is Ronnie and I'm here to bring you 3 yoga moves to help you take care and stay grounded. First, we're going to start with mountain pose. Second, we're going to move into crescent lunge. And third, we're going to move into warrior 2, because I know you all are warriors. From the top of your mat, stand with your feet hips width distance apart, really grounding down, feeling the earth beneath you. Hands should be out to your sides, chest should be up, shoulders should be down. A very strong grounding posture, maybe even set an intention for your day. On your next inhale, I want you to step your left foot to the back of your mat, arms up for crescent lunge. Make sure your core is engaged, your hips are square, your shoulders are away from your ears. On your next exhale, you're going to pivot your left foot down to a 90-degree angle and open up your arms to a T for warrior 2, bending into your front knee. Make sure you're not leaning too far forward or too much back. You want to be nice and centered. On your next inhale, step forward, back to mountain pose. Next side. Inhale, step your right foot to the back of your mat. Arms rise for crescent lunge. Make sure your core is engaged. Hips are square, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, pivot your back foot down, open up to a T, bending into your front knee for warrior 2. I want to see strong warriors. Engaging your core, not leaning too far forward or back, just nice and centered. On your next inhale, step your right foot forward, arms back to your side for mountain pose. I hope you enjoyed these poses. Stay home and stay well.